LifeLink is a leading medical air transport company in Minnesota with over 70 employees, 5 different bases throughout Wisconsin and Minnesota. We serve over 11 different hospitals within our system. We do approximately 2,200 flights a year. We use Aladtec not only for scheduling, but also for scheduling our events and with our ride-along program. Before Aladtec, we used a Google Calendar. What was bad about it was the inability to have any sort of automation involved with the Google program at all. Very inefficient, very time-consuming, which in our busy day-to-day operations was just not compatible for being successful. To have to allot that sort of time for simple scheduling was detrimental to completing our mission. With the implementation of Aladtec, everything has become completely automated. The rotations are placed once a flight clinician is hired. After that, the ownership falls onto that clinician, whether it be from a vacation request to a switch. Everything is just completely done online and flawless without mistakes. With Aladtec, my job is much more efficient now. The clinicians have the ability to either use their smartphones or a desktop computer to access the program. It's also allowed us to post our events, some of our PR events, some of our ride-along requests. So it's an all-inclusive type of program where we can access it anywhere we are, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
What I like best about the Aladtec system is that from a user standpoint and a clinician standpoint, it's easy to access and it's easy to use.
I think the hours a day that probably saves me is at least 1 to 2 hours a day. And if I add that through the week, I mean, that's up to 10 hours a week that I have to concentrate on more important tasks throughout the day. I absolutely would recommend Aladtec to other organizations. The prior organization that I used to work for actually used this program as well. So this idea was brought over and implemented, and it's kind of spreads like wildfire. I think it's a great product for public safety in general.